Hey everybody, it's October 25th, 2024.
The song download does not contain this narration.
It's game over, Trump won. This is about the ultimate battle between good and evil. If you haven't been paying attention to what's happening in the world during your lifetime, take a look at the grip Satan has on the world and how these people that are Satanists and worship Satan have put themselves in positions of power on all level, from the smallest communities to world governments, and they are on a mission to destroy everything God created. You have to not listen to what the mainstream media is telling you, and the medical community, teachers, doctors, and these people have been lying to us forever. And the information's out there. You just have to do the proper research and homework, and you can find it. Unfortunately, a lot of this information is being censored, so it's not reaching everybody. You're going to see things happen on a biblical level. You're going to see things happening in this country that you've never thought possible. But we need to stay strong and fight, and we need to regain our country.